Look at that salmon. All of a sudden, I'm feeling motivated. Hey, friend, hey. Wazam. I figured I'd do some vlogging this week because I'm not feeling on track. And so I figured it'd be a good week to vlog me getting back on track, getting back in my groove. Just a little vloggy vlog week. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. I have been really off of meal prep and not wanting to meal prep at all. So I made sure I started today. I had to face the facts that I just have to meal prep if I want to be successful with my weight loss journey. So let me just show you real quick what I made tonight. Look at that salmon. Tell me it ain't a motherfucking beauty. Making some broccoli in the air fryer. I made this in the oven. I am making some Greek yogurt bowls. And I'm going to put chia seeds, which I'm soaking right now. I used 2 good yogurt. It has 13 grams of protein. And I'm going to add some blueberries, maybe some protein powder as well. I deleted some stuff on the camera, and it's all for you. But yes, my salmon looks amazing. I'm just going to push it to the side for now so I can make my yogurt. Okay. Hello? I like this yogurt. It only has 2 grams of sugar. And I'm gonna stay beside it. I'm obsessed with looking for sources of fiber protein. I'd be like, well, what benefit is this item gonna give me? It's a little bad. Someone also recommended that you put protein powder, which I think I've done before, but I can't remember. I don't know if I want 20 grams in each thing. So what is this already? This is 15 plus 10, that's 25. I think I'm fine with 35 grams. Ooh, I should have put the powder first, but it's too late. I'm getting secondhand dust. All right, let's see if you could see in there. So it's stupid thick. Stupid thick. Stupid thick. Hey, you want a super stick? All right, I think I can eat that. Let me see. I just feel like I taste powder, but that's because I'm not mixing it into liquid. It does taste good. This is the brand Just Move. It's a vegan protein, and it's apple pie slice flavored. I'll say it tastes like that. I'm gonna do a half a scoop and everything, because I'm fine with that. Also, it'll take me less time to mix in. Y'all know I ain't trying to do all that. So I'm hopeful. Yes, I am. Hopeful for today. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like before I go to bed. And after that, I'm calling it.
Tonight we're filming the band history. Last night they had the information set fun.
Good morning. Ooh. Real quick, I have to go to work today, but I just want to show y'all in real life, I really do be putting my hacks to use. My apartment is a mess. I just got back into town. Sunday night, it's Tuesday morning. I cooked yesterday, but now I just need to clean up. So I have about 15 more minutes where I have to walk out the door. My breakfast is already made. Shout out to my meal prep. So I'm supposed to spend 5 minutes in each room. Dining room, living room, kitchen. I already did 5 minutes in my bedroom. So I just figure I'd give you a little time lapse. Hey Google, set 5-minute timer.
Alright, 5 minutes. Starting now.
I'm just kidding. This is not ASMR. It's not Tuesday night. I figured I'd tell you about my Tuesday before I wind down for bed. So today I did 5 minutes of cleaning in each room. Hopefully you can see the difference between the before and after. When I got home from work, I signed up for a class on ClassPass and I went to my first cycle bar class and it was actually fun. It was hip hop versus house music, so not bad for a first class back. And now I've come home, 5 minutes unpacking my suitcase. And that was the whole thing. 5 minutes wiping my kitchen counter down and clearing my kitchen counter. And then 15 minutes washing dishes, which is done now. There's still some dishes left, but I committed 15 minutes and that's what the goal was. So I'll have a few tomorrow and that's okay. So now I realize that I have like my apartments coming together, physical activities coming together, but not life planning and to-do lists coming together. Those are just things that needed to be done in general. So I'm gonna take the next 30 minutes to one, relax and wind down. Maybe do some content planning, journal for maybe 5 minutes so I can set myself up for the week as well as set myself up for bed, for restful sleep. So. Hey friend, hey, good morning, happy Wednesday. Not wearing the outfit you saw me lay out on the bed. I'm fortunate enough to wear sweats to work. But I am going on a boat ride to celebrate my baby's birthday today. So I figured I'd pick that out, something chill, but I could still be cute after work because it's a small window. And the only thing on my to-do list for today is to journal about a topic I saw on Instagram and to walk today and to buy him a gift. So yeah, it's a nice chill morning because I knew I had to be at work at 7 a.m. So we'll go ahead and move on. You guys have the most amazing day. I'll show you some clips from the boat ride. Hey friend, hey. It is 5:42 a.m. and I've signed up for a yoga class. I'm assuming it's intermediate or advanced yoga because at the end, after I signed up, it said, make sure if you're a beginner, we highly recommend these other classes, which I'm not a beginner, so I'm going to give it a try. I was going to go to a bar class, and I only hit add to calendar because I wasn't sure if I was going to wake up, and then by the time I tried to register, it was too late. But yeah, let's hit this yoga, and then I have to be at work at 8 a.m.
Hey, friend, hey, good morning. Happy Wednesday. Not wearing the outfit you saw me lay out on the bed. I'm fortunate enough to wear sweats to work. But I am going on a boat ride to celebrate my baby's birthday today. So I figured I'd pick out something chill, but I could still be cute after work because it's a small window. And the only thing on my to-do list for today is to journal about a topic I saw on Instagram and to walk today.
Hey friend, hey. It's Friday, it's the end of the week and the last day. I just got off of work and feeling good. I'm going to take a quick mental break as recommended by my therapist. And then I think I'm gonna cut up some watermelon, watch some TV. I guess that will be my break. And then I will clean my apartment so that way I don't have to do it this weekend. Yeah, so that sounds like a plan. So I know I said I was gonna wait a little bit and then start cleaning. But baby, it's dark outside. We gonna get started now, so that way tomorrow it's a fresh, brand new start. So, good night. Hey friend, hey. It's Saturday. I am about to do my makeup to record some content. So I went to that coffee shop. I came back, showered, rested. I'm also doing this doom scrolling for like a good bit. I ain't gonna hold you, a good bit. But now it's time to get back into business. I had to take like a lunch break, even though I didn't eat. Should probably eat. Anywho, trying to do a quick face because I don't really want to do this anymore. So I had to keep in mind, if I'm going to do my makeup, I'm going to have to do that in the morning. Oh, thank God that cut off. Because at this point in the day, no desire is there. Desire is fired. I don't see my brushes because my nieces were playing with my makeup with me, in front of me. I just feel like that's where it's supposed to be. I lied. It's where it's supposed to be. Found it. You know I better get out. I can't even see, honestly, so I'm gonna go in the living room. But y'all see that color match? And if it don't match, don't at me. The seasons are changing. After these being on my baby's faces, all of a sudden I'm feeling motivated to wash my brushes. Also, it look all bent out of shape. They was working hard, y'all. Look at this. Working, ain't ya? They was working so hard. I know, bacteria, not good for you. I'm gonna wipe it off. I'm not really trying to be cute today. This for y'all. This not for me, this for y'all. Also, I had the hardest time today getting started on picking my short form content. Not the content that is just gonna be like repurposed YouTube videos, but like Instagram reels and TikToks. TikTok, I don't have to be that stressed about because I'm not sticking to topic. That's gonna be all things Dacie. So if you want to follow me on TikTok, it's gonna be stuff that comes to my mind. It's not gonna be adulting specific. And it won't be a lot of adulting content. I can promise you that. One more section. I'm getting light skin on them, ain't I? Oh Lord, light skin Dacie season is almost upon us. What I'm singing right now in my head is Get Down Like That. I think it's Trey Songz. No, it's Neo. That song lives rent free. When it's in there, it's in there. It's gonna be a few days before that goes away. Baby, if you'll find I just don't get down like that. Oh, I love that song. So what year was that? 2022. I rediscovered that song in like October. It was my number 3 song of all 2022. Like, it has my heart. Has my heart. I think this looks fine enough. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. Put my glasses on so I can't see. Back at it with the white bands. Now I'm gonna add a little blush, a little bronzer. Hopefully that gives me the. Oh, she put in some effort. Hopefully, I'm legally blind. Literally. Okay. I mean, I could do the rest of this with my glasses, so we could stay in here. Why am I talking through this? I don't do beauty tutorials. Let me get this shit done. Yeah. They was digging. They said I'm trying to be blushed out, okay? Maybe I should wipe this top layer off. To be fair, I was semi-supervising, not really. I had somewhere to go, so I had to focus on me. I had to choose me. I always get to this point and I'm like, man, I might as well just do my eyebrows. No, we are competing with daylight.
Shake it like a show. Shake it like a show.
She a fan, she a fan, she a fan. She a fan, she a fan, she a fan. She's my biggest fan, girl. I want you to hide. It looks fine or not. It looks fine or not. Dang, the one that stuck was fan. Biggest fan by Chris Brown. I'm playing my song, we switching positions. I get the money, so I be a sugar daddy. It's getting loud, it's getting dark. Darkness, everybody, darkness. Two girls are watching. Y'all is stuck. No, it's not an option. I'll be a sugar daddy. Mwah. Sad part is I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be able to finish all videos today. So I'm gonna have to do this again tomorrow. Wild. Just so you know, I opted to put up all my papers last night, so I still didn't clean my bathroom or my bedroom. I'll do that today, and I'll order my groceries online so I can pick them up tomorrow. But that's all I have, and I feel like I'm back on track. But I think I'm gonna end this here. I hope you guys enjoyed the Vloggy vlog. Thanks for watching. Love you, I mean it. Bye.